first thing you're going to do is turn on your PC. The Sharp display monitor will not work unless you turn on the PC first. If you are comfortably and safely able to reach the Sharp power button, turn on the Sharp display by pressing the power button found behind the left side of the display. If you are not able to reach the power button, please contact your CTA so that they can visit your room with the remote. Log into your PC. If your login screen does not appear on your desktop monitor, look at your Sharp display. Extending your display. From the menu that appears, choose Extend. Click anywhere off of the project menu to close it. Right-click on an empty space and choose Display Settings. Select Display 1 by clicking on it. Scroll down to the Scale section and select 100%. And then close the display window. Duplicating displays. From the menu that appears, choose Duplicate. Your displays will immediately change to your selected configuration. Click anywhere off of the project menu to close it. Right-click on any empty space on your Windows desktop. Choose Display Settings. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Click the downward arrow and select 100%. Close the display window. Adjusting the volume. The volume is disabled on the Sharp display. Click the Windows sound icon. Then click the caret to the right of the current selection. Select AMD HDMI output. Adjust the volume using the volume slider.